I wasn't actually planning on reviewing anything today, but Swedes and Gardenia and Bloemfontein had a different idea. I just peeped in there and they asked me please to review this. This is 10 Rand. They gave it to me. And also this, which is 6 Rand. So it's all in the taste, I always say. So let's taste what it tastes like. It smells quite nice, I must admit. This is a type of it's a brownie, Papita brownie chocolate. It looks quite nice, I would actually say. Really nice. That is very nice. Tastes like, almost like a cake type of thing. But it's really very nice. I rate that 8.4 out of 10. And then the Rocky Caramel. Let's try this as well. This is 6 Rand, that one is 8 Rand. Let's go. That is very nice. Even nicer than the brownie. I rate that 8.6 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all till next time.